The first thing we need to do is go to thetatoken.org. Once there, we go to the wallet section. Being there, we can notice that we can open our wallet by using key store, seed phrase, private key, and hardware wallet. We will use a hardware wallet. We can choose between Trezor or Ledger. In this case, we will use the Ledger wallet. We click on Ledger and we will see a drop-down menu. We have to select Ethereum Ledger Live M4460. Make sure you have the Ethereum app open in the Ledger wallet and then click on Continue. After that, we select the wallet address where we have our Theta tokens and then click on Access My Wallet. Once we have opened our wallet, we need to go to the Stakes tab. So click there and you will be able to see the tokens you are currently staking, if any. To start staking on Doctor Theta, we click on Deposit Stake. We will have a new window. Then we click on Delegated Guardian Node. Then we will look for Doctor Theta and click on it. Then click on Continue. We will see another window with our Theta token balance and also asking us how many tokens we want to stake. Remember, you need at least 1,000 Theta tokens in order to stake. I will stake 1,013 with 49 tokens. Then click on Deposit Stake. There will be a confirmation window. Don't forget you need 0.3 TFL for gas fee. Click on Confirm and Deposit Stake. Once you click Confirm and Deposit Stake, don't forget to approve the transaction on your Ledger wallet so the transaction can be processed correctly. Once the transaction is approved, we will be back to the stakes window, and in a few seconds or maybe 1 minute, we will be able to see that we have staked our Theta token successfully on Doctor Theta Guardian node.